Okay, we have a Clausing Ibarmia geared head drill press, model B50, serial number 075556. Machine was new in 2007. We're gonna run her for you. It's a geared head drill again. It has power down feed and tapping. So he's gonna bring it down 418 RPM. He's engaging the power feed through the electromagnetic clutch. When it hits the bottom, the stop, it'll back out of it. It's coming down. Okay, now we're going to put it in tapping mode. And when you bring it to the bottom manually, all the way to the bottom, the spindle reverses. And you're tapping. When you bring it back up to the top, it reverses, it goes forward again. And that's basically your tap mode. So, okay, let's show a couple more speeds. Again, the machine has from 66 RPM up to 1255. That's a lower speed. Okay. We'll do another one, another range. We're going into the yellow range. That's one of the lowest speeds. It's 91. Okay, machine has a 4 horsepower head. Again, it's geared. T-slotted base and table. It's beautiful. Hey, thank you for watching our video.